Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 14T. So first of all, let me remove here the labels. Let's have a look what's included. First of all, we will have a white box here. We will check it later, and here is the phone first. The Xiaomi 14T. Okay, this is how it looks like. So on the side we will have the volume keys and the power button, of course. On the back we will have the 3 cams next to the LED flash. On this side we will have nothing. And on front we will have a plastic film to protect the screen. Pretty nice. Below we will have here the USB Type-C port, we will have the speaker, we will have the microphone and the SIM slot. And on top we will have 2 microphones again and an infrared sensor. Okay, let's have a look what we have in the box we have removed first. So we will have here the SIM ejection tool. That's pretty nice. We will have a USB Type-C charging cable with USB Type-A on the other side. What is pretty important, if you buy an adapter, you need the one with Type-A. Okay, we have some manuals here in different languages. And we will have here a case. What we miss is the power charging adapter. This you have to buy separately. Maybe this one or another one, doesn't matter. But important is to check out with USB Type-A. Okay, one more time what we're having included: the phone, the case, the cable and some manuals. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, apropos videos I will create in the next days also some more tutorials and so on, and tips and tricks videos. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss them. Thank you so much for supporting me, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.